Little sleep, money's gone, no more fun. I'll keep trudging by through the day. This feeling is just like fantasy, to fight for the gold. I know it's just a weekend job, it's all my luck can afford. At least I can buy you pretty things, 'cause you're the one I adore. Those damn poetry words you read, they tickle your eyes and they tickle your ears. You're always fooled by simple fun and any fulsome applause. Legs and scars repair the truth, as handsome they may seem. Wake up, honey, rise and shine, you're swimming in sweet summer dreams. She cries, why am I threatened by uncommon rain? You know it's from my Middleton like before. And words are not for wandering, remember what she said. Give it time, give it time, give it time, I'll be on your mind. Give it time, I'll be waiting. Read the newspaper, tell me it's true. The foreign skylines are signed, and in my darkest hour you were on my mind. She cries, why am I threatened by uncommon rain? You know it's from my Middleton like before. And words are not for wandering, remember what she said. Give it time, give it time, give it time, I'll be on your mind. Give it time, I'll be waiting. In kind, I'm sorry I'm bent out of tune. Her satin keeps slowing me down. My house was more cold, always on hold. Pour the wine and wait for me, I'm aiming for the time. And in my darkest hour you were on my mind. She cries, why am I threatened by uncommon rain? And insane bullet trains that bring pain, that keeps those silly names under lock and key. Escape with me to an endless sea of ivory dreams on fearsome wings. Ready, go, hurry up those sweet goodbyes. And in my darkest hour